In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export dashboard in Metabase PDF. First, open your web browser and search for Metabase. This is the quickest way to reach the official site if you don't have the address saved. If your organization runs Metabase on its own URL, you can enter that address directly. Before moving on, double-check that you're on a secure page and that the address matches what your team uses. Click the first result that takes you to Metabase, then choose the Login option. Sign in using the method your workspace supports, such as a standard password or single sign-on. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that step. If you can't sign in or don't see the right content after logging in, you may need access from your admin or the correct group permissions. Once you're in, open the dashboard you want to share as a PDF. You can find it from the home page, the dashboard section, your recents, or by using the search bar. Before exporting, set any filters, date ranges, or segments so the PDF reflects exactly what you intend to share. It helps to refresh the dashboard and wait for every chart or table to finish loading. For a cleaner layout, collapse any filter sidebar if it's not needed, and scan for long titles or legends that might wrap awkwardly on the page. When the dashboard looks right, go to the top right corner and click the sharing icon, the arrow that points up and to the right. Depending on your window size and permissions, it may appear near the three-dot menu or alongside edit controls. If the icon isn't visible, you may not have permission to share, or your version of Metabase may not include this feature, so check with your admin or try a different browser zoom level. From the menu, select Export as PDF. Metabase will generate the file, which can take a moment for dashboards with many cards or heavy queries. Keep the tab open while it processes. The PDF will download to your browser's default Downloads folder. Open it and review the result. Confirm the filters are correct, charts look crisp, and multi-page dashboards break at sensible points. If something is clipped or too small, return to the dashboard, adjust filters, resize or reorder cards, and export again. If your environment offers options like orientation or paper size, choose the setting that best fits your layout. For best readability, consider switching to a light theme before exporting if your charts have dark backgrounds. That's it. You searched for Metabase, logged in, opened your dashboard, clicked the sharing icon, and exported as PDF. Save the file with a clear name and share it securely according to your organization's data policies.